Junk science law has come up quite a bit in the past few months among Texas lawmakers. It allows prisoners to challenge convictions if new scientific evidence emerges that questions the integrity of their trial. The Texas House Committee on Jurisprudence wants to hear testimony from death row inmate Roberson about his conviction and if it could be influenced by the junk science law. Roberson was convicted of killing his 2-year-old daughter Nikki in 2002. She was diagnosed with shaken baby syndrome, but medical experts have disputed that theory, and Roberson's attorneys argue there were other factors in her death. Back in October, the committee subpoenaed Roberson to testify, and the day before he was set to be put to death. That delayed his execution. They've called a hearing for this Friday to hear from Roberson in person, but members of the committee say Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton is standing in the way of that testimony happening. State Representative Joe Moody, chair of the committee, talked with me about the holdup on Texas this week.
The Supreme Court decision that we saw come down a few weeks ago made it very clear that, except in the very rare circumstance that our subpoena would interfere with an execution, our committee has the authority to take Mr. Roberson's testimony. And so since that opinion's come out, I have worked diligently to try and reach an accommodation with the Office of the Attorney General based on the communications I've received from them. They don't seem very eager to assist and accommodate.
Now, if the Attorney General does not allow Roberson to testify, the committee could call another hearing.